you for spending the day with us. I hope you had fun. Come and see us again soon. Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
See and hear Thomas like never before in his biggest movie ever, Hero of the Rails, the movie.
I found the oldest engine on Sodor.
It's a story of adventure and new friends.
We must help Hero at once.
In an all-new movie like you've never seen before.
You've come to the right place, my friend.
Thomas and Friends, Hero of the Rails, the movie. Only on DVD September 8th.
Only on DVD. Bob the Builder on site. Skyscraper.
We're going to see a skyscraper being built.
Put on your hard hats, strap on your tool belts, and join Bob the Builder as his world meets the real world on site.
Let's go on site.
Bob and his can-do crew take you on a fun-filled adventure to a real construction site. Learn how diggers dig the foundations, just like Scoop. See how cement mixers mix up cement, just like Dizzy and Tumbler. See how tall cranes carry loads high in the sky, just like Lofty. And now, only on DVD, Bob the Builder on site. Skyscraper.
Let's find out how a skyscraper is built.
From laying the foundation to the construction of each floor to elevators, you're on site with Bob the Builder.
Can we build it?
Yes, we can. Yeah, I think so.
Bob the Builder on site. Skyscrapers. Now on DVD. Also available on site. Houses and playgrounds. And on site. Roads and bridges.
For over 20 years, he's been every child's best friend.
I do have a lot of friends from all over the world.
And now you can join the Dino-rific celebration in an all-new DVD special for Barney's 20th anniversary. With the best of Barney DVDs. Barney's opening his magical memory box in this special collection.
We are celebrating some happy memories.
Which features his most memorable moments of all time.
There's a lot to see.
With 20 of your favorite Barney songs. This DVD is full of special features for fans of all ages, including 7 Barney sing-alongs, an exclusive featurette, games, and much more. So join Baby Bop, BJ, Riff, and the lovable, huggable purple guy himself, Barney, for a terrific extravaganza.
I believe there's always room for one more happy memory.
As they celebrate 20 magical years of sharing, caring, and imagination in this exclusive DVD special, The Best of Barney, now on DVD.
He's shown the shape. He's shown the shape.
From the Oscar-winning creators of Wallace and Gromit.
I've surgery with shown the shape.
Comes everyone's favorite farm animal, Shaun the sheep. Join Shaun and his barnyard friends. Where sheep do whatever they want. And the pigs can
Shaun the sheep. He's Shaun the sheep.
Shaun the Sheep Off the Bar. Now available on DVD.
A man played with Shaun the sheep.